Okay, time for another first impression. This time we are in the land of Volkswagen. And we are talking about an Atlas, but not just any Atlas. This is the Atlas Cross Sport, which means they take the regular Atlas, which is huge, 7-seater. They cut down that roof line right there and make it into a 5-seater. So this is sort of that sportback look that a lot of manufacturers are doing with their sedans and making them look like they're coupes and that sort of thing. So I don't know, on here it sort of works. It seems to be there's a lot of headroom in the back still. This is a Pacific blue color, kind of a nice pale blue. See a little trim piece there, shiny Cross Sport, look at that. Some metallic in that blue, it's very pretty. This one happens to have the 2-liter 4-cylinder. That's Volkswagen's venerable 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. In this trim, it puts out 235 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque. You can get a V6. The V6 is a 3.6-liter VR6, and that's 276 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque. Nice looking interior. Pretty beige. Sort of a carbon fibery metallic sort of look to that right there. I want to check this headroom right away in the back. Oh yeah, there's plenty of room up here, even with a panoramic roof. That's pretty nice. In fact, I got a lot of leg room. Comfortable seat back here. In fact, it looks like these guys recline. In fact, they do. So the back seats can tilt back and recline, which is awesome. Okay. Volkswagen's updated logo. Fancy little screen there. Got our engine stop and start. Different modes for off-roading. Got classic Volkswagen intelligent gauges. It's a little warm outside. We're gonna fire up that 4-cylinder. Welcome to Volkswagen. Everything just looks to be intelligently laid out. It's kind of a skinny steering wheel. Easy to read HVAC. Looks like we got heated seats, auto stop, start, off. Look at that. Quick and easy access for that. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink. You can connect using the USB port. And look at this little guy. Volkswagen branded. Ooh, 540-mile range. I like that. All right, so we got a fun thing to do. Actually going to be moving our daughter into college with the Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport this week. So we'll see how things shake out.